Oh, see, there you go, changing the subject again. Anyway, Naruto just picks fights with you. You know why he's so annoying? Because he wasn't raised right. He doesn't have a mother or father, no one to teach him right from wrong. Think about it. He just does whatever comes into his head. He's selfish and bratty. He's all alone.
Alone. Isolated.
Huh?
It's not about your parents scolding you. You have no idea what it means to be alone.
Прямо, если бы не твой милый голосок.